Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about another gas law, which is the Charles law. Then I will go to Boyle's law and the other gas laws. Alright, so what is meant by Charles law? Charles law. So Charles law is a relationship that is built up between the volume of a gas and its absolute temperature, that is the Kelvin temperature, when the pressure, mass and mass are constant. So the Charles law says like this: when the pressure is constant and when the mass is constant, when the pressure is constant and mass is constant, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Now, this is not absolute. The absolute temperature means the Kelvin temperature, not the Celsius temperature. Say the volume of a gas is 3 cubic meters. This is proportional to 202 Kelvin, and at 2 cubic meters, this is proportional to say 100 and I don't know the value exactly. I'll say this is 200, right? 200. So it will be say 150 Kelvin, something like that. Consider these to be two gases. This can't be the exact. It can be sometimes, but sometimes can't be. I just said, right? This is not the exact relationship for a gas. Consider these to be two gases, right? For the first gas, the volume of the gas is 3 cubic meters, and it is proportional to its Kelvin temperature, which is 200. This is not 200 degrees of Celsius, it is 200 Kelvin. And for this gas, the volume of this gas is 2 cubic meters and it is proportional to its Kelvin temperature, which is 150. So the Kelvin temperature is also sometimes called the absolute temperature. So the Charles law says like this: when the mass when the pressure, right? When the pressure is kept constant for a gas whose mass is constant, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. Right? When the pressure is kept constant for a gas whose mass is constant, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. So if the pressure is constant and if the mass is constant, we can say V is directly proportional to T. So as in the other sums or the other formulas in mechanics, what you can do here is we can take you can take the proportional sign out by equating it with a constant. So the popular equation for this is V is now directly proportional to T, that we know, right? So what you can do is V is equal to K times T. So that V by T is now a constant. So if V by T is a constant for a specific gas, you can say that V1 by T1 is equal to K, and V2 divided by T2 should be also equal to K. Right? Should be also equal to K. So V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. So this is the popular equation for Charles law. So for a gas whose pressure is constant and mass is constant, you can say that V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2, or V by T, the ratio of V to T is a constant. So that's Charles law. So in the next video, I'll explain as to how Charles law applies in the calculations in gas laws. See you then.